everyone, and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. It is so great to see everyone here today under the same roof. And your teachers have lots of fantastic things to do with you to help us to continue on our learning journey. Now, I know everyone is going to be coming back and remembering what they need to do when it comes to making good choices. And I can't wait until we celebrate on Friday how well the week has gone, because I just know it will. Now, as a Monday Assembly, we know that it's a Challenge Assembly. And one of our biggest challenges this year has been to learn British Sign Language. And I thought that since we're all coming back together today, that it would be a good idea for us to have a little refresh of some of the signs that we've learned during the autumn term. Are you ready? Let's see if you can remember these. Do you? Wow, I could see lots of you remember the different signs for using in British Sign Language that we learned so far. Well done. I am so proud of all of you. Now we're going to be learning some more signs as we go into next week. So make sure you get your hands limbered up, you get your brains in action and ready to learn some new signs next week. Now in the meantime, I want you to make sure you follow your teacher's instructions, you make good choices, and that, you know what, have a fantastic week. Right, see you later. Bye.